Hello, happy holidays and welcome to my channel. My name is Robyn, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays. Are you getting ready for New Year's? I think we're just going to keep it on the down low, stay home, relax, which is kind of what I always do. But today I have my I have my beauty baubles, and it's an advent calendar. This box comes over from the UK. I ordered it a while ago along with another box because the price is good. It's was $50 or $60, but where they get you is on the international shipping. So if you order two or more, then they add the shipping together, which is what I think I did, but all that information will be below. So I ordered, again, I mentioned on a previous video, just a few advent calendars this year, and this is one of them. So let's get into it. So are you getting that horrific bad weather? I know where my son lives in Chicago, it was like 20, 30 below. They didn't get a whole lot of snow, but they did get the bad weather. I actually am so warm today that I have our front door open because I just can't take, running around and doing everything. I just can't take the heat. So you are all welcome to stop by. I'm just trying to figure out how to get into this calendar. It's wrapped so nice, so I don't want to break the box because I am known for breaking boxes. So this is a 12-day calendar, and I think you just pull it open, and this one is real easy because the numbers are right in the row. The last one I opened, you kind of had to search for the numbers. So, and you can hang them. So if you wanted to get creative, you could hung them on your tree and then just open one every day. I'm not that creative. And of course they have the foozles in there. And, ooh, this is by Ofra, and it looks like a lippy. So I am excited about that. Wow, that is nice packaging. So that was number one. And number two. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, is it another lippy? What do we got? It's roller lash. So it looks like it's mascara. It's a pretty container. And number three. So let me know what you guys got for your holidays, for Christmas. Did you get a sweater? Did you get jewelry? Did you get what you want? I gifted my kids, dogs and granddaughter, so many fun presents. But I don't know if it was due to the weather, but they still haven't received all their stuff. And this was through Amazon, which is really quick shipping, but they still haven't gotten some of their stuff. And my daughter, I ordered through Amazon Germany, and she said they went skiing to Austria, of course, over the holidays. So she said not to send any packages till they got home. And they had a wonderful time skiing. And this package is by EH, and it's a cleansing balm. So this is pretty nice. Little fizzly things are just getting everywhere. And this one is by Philip Kingsley, and it is a deep conditioning treatment. So I am thinking it's for your hair. It's probably not open. Oh, I think it is. Can't tell, but I bet you this one smells good. And number 5, oh, this is like busting out, it seems. What do we have in here? Oh, it's a candle, because I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it melted, but it's hard to get out. There we go. This smells good. It's in this little jar, and the little thingy came off of it, and I can't read what the smell is, but it smells good. And number 6, ooh, this is by Serene Light Skin Perfector Rouge Bunny Rouge. I don't know what it is though. I'll have to read up on this. I'm not sure what it is. I wish they would put like a list of everything. I could probably go on their website and look it up, but they're different products, which is nice that we're not getting the same old, same old. And this looks like it's by Wonder Beauty. And this is by Wonder Beauty, and it is a lip treatment. If you've never been to their website, you need to check it out, because they do sets. Like they'll do everything Wonder Beauty, they'll do everything Elf, they'll pick a line. I ordered a box. I'll try to leave a link. It was for cancer awareness, and it was a really nice box. So this is a lip treatment. Those are always nice to get. Number 8. Look it, I'm already ripping boxes. And ooh, that's a tiny little guy. This is by, it's a serum, and Jehovah. So this must be a face serum. Number 9. Could it be more Fizzlies? Oh, it's got the same jar. It's a EH product, Morning Cleansing Balm. Didn't we just get one of those? That would be weird. Morning Cleansing Balm. Okay then. 2 morning cleansing balms. So I'll have to save one for a giveaway. It's kind of weird that they would do that, but maybe everybody loves it so much that they decided to put 2 in. And number 10 is Fresh Tea Elixir Skin. Sorry guys, gotta put the glasses on. Fresh Tea Elixir Skin Resilience Activating Serum. So I wouldn't really count this as a full size, but it must be really good. Maybe you don't need a lot. Number 11, it feels kind of heavy. $2 too. It made up for the double, unless they're two of the same. I don't think so. We have by Authentic Beauty Concept, which is an awesome brand. We have a cleanser and a mask. So that's nice because this is a brand that I do use. So I'm liking this. And the last day, number 12. This also feels heavy. Nope. Oh, I know what this is. Wow. I think this values at like $125. And I really hate to open it because I am going to put this in a giveaway. If you look at my other video that I did for the cancer awareness, this is called a Redo It Boost. I had no idea what it was. I was trying to open it. I thought it was a cream, and I struggled with this thing. And what this turned out to be, when you open it up, there is a little charger in here. So you can program this. You go to their site and you register. So if you use a night cream, moisturizing, whatever cream, you enter it in here. And so you put the cream on your face and this vibrates and works with the exact cream that you use at night. It is like the coolest thing. So I have one and I programmed the creams that I use. So the moisturizing cream that I use and the night creams that I use, you program it in here and it says it has a charger in here and you just put it on your face and it works with it. It's got the different levels and you go to the website and it explains it. And when I first got it, I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm gonna have to do all this work. And it took me all of like 10 minutes to go to the website, do the app, put in the creams that I use, and then I put it on. It was like the coolest thing. So I already have one, and I said they retail for like $125. So I am going to put this in a giveaway. I know it might not seem like a big deal, but if you go check it out, you'll see that it is. It's really kind of cool. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway, and I'm going to put this extra cleansing balm in the giveaway. And if you know, obviously you don't have to enter it if you don't like it, but I would definitely check it out and see if you like it. And if you want to enter, all you have to do is use the word boost. And that's it. So I would definitely check this thing out. Leave a comment below what you thought of this calendar. As it says, it comes from the UK. They had two different calendars. I decided to get this one. And oh wait, I have my pen. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and you guys have an awesome day.